Indian police cracked down on protests on Sunday that erupted across the country over derogatory remarks against Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, by members of the ruling BJP. Muslims have taken to the streets to protest against anti-Islamic comments made by two members of PM Modi's party in the recent week. Police raided the home of student leader, arresting her father, mother and sister. They have accused her father, who is diabetic and needs insulin daily, of masterminding the protests. Countries such as Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Oman, and Iran, which are key trade partners for India, lodged protests through diplomatic channels and used social media to demand an apology from the government. India's foreign ministry said last week that the tweets and comments do not reflect the views of the government.